Uh-oh, you dropped it. Uh-oh. Are you helping, Duck? I see you. He's hiding from me. Yeah, he's afraid I'm going to take it away from him. He knows he's not supposed to have it. Are you making your own stack, Doc? Are you making a stack of wood in the front yard? What are you going to do with it, Doc? Hey, Doc, what do you have? What do you have? What do you have? He's so proud. Did you steal it? Now what are you going to do with it? What do you have, Doc? Oh, Doc. What do you have? You want to eat it? You going to debark it? What you got, Doc? What do you have? Don't hurt yourself. What is it, boy? You gonna throw it? It's a little too heavy for you to throw, isn't it?